Are your emails falling at the first hurdle? Your email subject lines make a big difference to open rate. So here are some findings from MailChimp research that will help you to craft a better subject line. Start by being concise. Email subjects under 60 characters perform much better, particularly on mobile where there's less space. You can also personalise by including the name of your contacts or your audience in your subject line sparingly, particularly in invitations. It'll help you to add a personal touch and get attention. You can also create intrigue by using words like sneak peek, important or urgent. You can get some attention, but be careful how much you use it. You can also show gratitude. Strangely enough, the words thank you also can help to improve your open rates. And finally, consider other elements like who the email is coming from. Is it from a company or a contact? And make sure that you leverage that preview text to make sure that you really enhance this appeal. Next week, we'll look at strategies for improving your email deliverability.